Pump the brakes. Understanding this common English phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, pump the brakes. This expression is commonly used in everyday conversation, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it in your daily English. Pump the brakes is an idiomatic expression. Originally, it referred to the literal action of pressing and releasing the brake pedal in a car repeatedly to slow down smoothly. However, as an idiom, it means to slow down or stop an activity or to be more cautious. It's often used when someone is moving too quickly with a decision or action and needs to take a moment to think or reconsider. Let's look at some examples of how pump the brakes is used in everyday conversation. 1. Scenario in decision-making. 2. I know you're excited about investing in that company, but you might want to pump the brakes and do a bit more research first. 3. In relationships. 4. They've only been dating for a week, and they're already talking about moving in together. They really need to pump the brakes. 5. At work. 6. Our team was rushing to launch the product by next month, but after some feedback, we decided to pump the brakes and reassess our timeline. When using pump the brakes, it's important to remember, it's mostly used in informal contexts. Don't confuse it with literal driving instructions. It's a metaphor. Avoid using it in very formal or serious situations, as it might be considered too casual. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, pump the brakes, more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, idioms like these can add color and authenticity to your language skills. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to pump the brakes if you ever feel overwhelmed. See you in the next video.